In front of me is VIVO X300 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use voice typing. First of all, launch your keyboard and tap on this icon of a microphone at the top right corner. If you can't see it, don't worry, just tap on this gear one first. Hit voice typing in keyboard settings and enable it thanks to this switcher next to use voice typing. Now tap on your microphone. Hit while using the app in the pop-up and start typing. As you can see, voice typing is on. If you wanna stop, you can pause or use the same microphone. Like that. Now my favorite part, tap on your microphone and select tiny icon right next to it. Then hit next, select done and enjoy voice typing from this toolbar. To move it around, hold it and drag it. If you want to delete whatever you want to, just click on this X. To access some available options, click on those three lines on the left. And to go back to standard keyboard, hit keyboard icon. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!